The Blum Airdrop is one of the most talked about airdrop right now in the crypto space, especially in the ecosystem of play to earn. And this is very important. So you might be mining this very airdrop seriously right now, but wait a minute, with all this stuff, 30 different backings from different 30 blockchains, and not only that, Bloom introduced the memepad, which enable users to trade and create their own meme token on Telegram. This is crazy. All of this crazy stuff from the Bloom team, and also an increasing ecosystem, and with experienced high-tech skill guys on the Bloom team. All of this is making the Bloom token to make a lot of waves. But wait a minute, what is the price of this token going to be? And what is the pre-market price? So in this video, I'll be talking about the Bloom ecosystem, the Bloom pre-market price, and the Bloom price prediction. What the price of this token is going to be from what we are seeing right now in the market. All of this in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. If you have not started mining the Bloom airdrop, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. Join right now. It is not late to start mining. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And by the way, you can join our Telegram channel for more crypto updates. Check the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. The Bloom ecosystem is making waves, and one of the big thing about the Bloom ecosystem is that they have the technical know-how, not coders that just started coding or programming. They have the guys that have the most experience in this play-to-earn industry right now, and that is why the airdrop is making a lot of waves and the community is growing at a rapid pace. But if you look at the memepad, which is an integral part of the Bloom ecosystem, is going to really change the tide when it comes to meme trading, because what that does is it enables users, traders like you and myself, to trade meme coin from Telegram, which is very, very important. Not only that, it is one of the things that has not happened before, which if it happened is going to change the tide when it comes to meme trading. Also give you the capability to mint token yourself and push to the market for buy and selling. And with backing of 30 different blockchain, I believe this very crazy idea is going to come to play. And the Bloom team is very, very seriously. Not only that, they have a very strong engagement with the community. And that is one of the reasons why I am betting hard on Bloom as well, in as much as I am also being cautious, because anything can happen in the crypto space. And this is very important. So let's dive right into the pre-market price for Bloom and also the price prediction. This is the pre-market price for Bloom on gate.io. And from this very area, if you read this very message, it says the current token credential is issued based on a total supply of 100 billion. After the token is listed, the system will conduct a settlement based on the actual supply of the token and the delivery outcomes of pre-minters, which mean right now Bloom have capacity to mint more token, except when it has done snapshot and have concluded all mining activity. So we need to be very careful with this, but taking into consideration the fact that 100 billion total supply is what is expected to be, with this we can work with it and do a very critical price prediction, and also based on what the market has been doing in recent time. So right now we have the price of Bloom to be 0.2043. What do you think is going to be the price at listing? Because this is very, very important. So from that, we can predict what we think the price of Bloom token is going to be in the near future when it gets that very listing on major exchange. So if this is the price of the token at 0.4043, what do you think the price of this token is going to be with 100 billion total supply? So if you do 100 billion total supply of this very token, which is this, do you think we can get a 0.0001? This is very, very possible for Bloom, because if you look at what a lot of play to earn have done in the past between 25 million market cap to 100 million market cap. So this is very possible for Bloom to have a listing of 0.301 with a total supply of 100 billion in circulation. Okay, so the total supply 100 billion and then 100 billion in circulating supply. That's what I mean. So if we have 100 billion as circulating supply and you multiply that by 0.301, you're going to have $10 million in market capitalization, which is very, very possible. Now, if you go a little bit further to 0.0009, you see we are having 90 million market capitalization, okay, which is also possible, okay. And if you do a 0.001, okay, that's 201, which is a $100 million market capitalization with the total supply, which is 100 billion as circulating supply in circulation. Now, Bloom can decide to say, look, we are going to give 90% of this token, or we are going to give 80% of this token to airdroppers, and we're going to release 70% into circulation, or we're going to release 90% into circulation, or maybe 100%. Nobody knows what is going to happen. But if we use what we have on ground, on chain, which is 100 billion as the total supply, which we think if they release everything into circulation to be on the safe side, we can see the max that Bloom will go is 0.001 with a 100 million market capitalization. Now this put us on a very safe side so that we don't over expect from the team. So I am looking at 0.305, which is a $50 million market capitalization, to 0.001 for this value for Bloom listing. This is my own price. What the price should be, again, 0.005, which will give a $50 million market capitalization. I believe Bloom is going to do well, better than X Empire and recent token that have been listed, and up to 0.001, which will give a $100 million market capitalization. On what I am expecting, what is already on chain, and from what we are seeing from the Bloom team, the team is doing very, very well with a real thing on ground. What I mean by that is they have a real project, which means even after the token have been listed on a major exchange, trading on the main pad will still continue. This makes the token unique compared to other play to earn project that we've seen, and after listing they fade away. And this is very important. You need to take note of this and take this very, very seriously. So if you are a miner right now, what do you think about this? Because you are continue mining, have to get a reward. So if you have a 0.005 as the listing price, let's say for example with a $100 billion token, and you have a 100,000, let's say for example 100,000 of this very token, you're going to have $50 as airdrop reward, and this is very, very small, okay, compared to mining for a very long period of time. And if you have a $1 million, you're going to have $500, which is something very, very fair. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now, so that you know what to expect from the Bloom team. So that is why I always advise you keep your expectation very, very low on this very play to earn, because things can turn south, and that is what we need to note right now. So what is your Bloom price prediction for this very token on listing date? Comment below right now in the comment section. Let me see your prediction. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Also share the videos with friends and crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.